Frozen shoulders or adhesive capsulitis causes pain and stiffness in the shoulder, making daily activities difficult. Regular, gentle exercises can help reduce discomfort and restore mobility. In this video, we'll guide you through 6 safe movements to improve flexibility and relieve pain. Move slowly, breathe steadily, and stop if you feel sharp pain. Let's get started. Our first exercise is the pendulum stretch, ideal for warming up the shoulder and increasing joint mobility using gravity rather than muscle effort. Stand beside a table and support yourself with your non-painful arm. Lean forward from your hips, allowing the affected arm to hang freely. Gently swing the arm forward and backward 10 times. Side to side 10 times. Clockwise circles 10 rounds. Anti-clockwise circles 10 rounds. Keep shoulders relaxed and movement smooth. Allow gravity to move the arm. Do not lift from the shoulder. A gentle stretch is normal. Sharp pain is not. Next, we will perform the towel stretch, which improves internal rotation needed for reaching behind the back and daily dressing activities. Hold a long towel behind your back. Painful arm holding the bottom end. Hold the top of the towel behind your neck with your healthy arm. Gently pull upward with the healthy arm to stretch the painful arm behind your back. Stop when you feel a comfortable stretch. Hold 15 to 20 seconds, then relax. Repeat 8 to 10 repetitions. This exercise will feel tight at first, but range improves gradually with daily practice. Our third exercise is the finger walk, which helps improve upward reach using finger movement instead of shoulder force. Stand facing a wall at arm's length distance. Place fingertips of the painful arm at waist to chest height. Slowly walk your fingers upward like climbing steps. Pause 3 to 5 seconds at the highest comfortable point. Walk fingers back down slowly. Repeat 10 to 15 repetitions. Try to reach a little higher each week, but never force the movement in one day. Next, we'll perform the cross-body stretch, which targets the rear capsule and helps improve the ability to reach across your chest and front body. Sit or stand with relaxed shoulders. Lift your painful arm to shoulder height. Bring the arm across your chest. Use your other hand to gently pull it closer. Hold 20 to 30 seconds, then release slowly. Repeat 8 to 10 times. You should feel a deep but comfortable stretch along the back of the shoulder. Our fifth exercise is outward rotation, which strengthens the external rotator muscles responsible for opening the arm outward. Seat with elbow bent to 90 degrees and close to your body. Place a rolled towel under the elbow for support. Slowly rotate your forearm outward away from your stomach. Hold 5 seconds, breathing evenly. Return slowly to the starting position. Repeat 10 to 12 repetitions. If the movement is small initially, that's normal. Improvement builds with repetitions. Our sixth exercise is inward rotation, which strengthens the muscles that pull the arm inward and support shoulder stability. Stand sideways to a door and hold the band with your painful arm. Keep elbow tight to your side and bent at 90 degrees. Slowly pull hand inward toward your stomach. Hold 3 to 5 seconds, return slowly. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Stand next to a wall. Press forearm inward gently at 30 to 40% effort. Hold 5 seconds. Repeat 10 to 12 repetitions. Keep the elbow close to your body at all times to activate shoulder stabilizing muscles correctly. Excellent work. You have completed 6 mobility exercises for frozen shoulder: pendulum stretch, towel stretch, finger walk, cross body stretch, outward rotation, and inward rotation. Practice daily, move slowly, stay patient. Recovery is gradual, but every improvement counts. Consistency leads to progress. Take care and keep moving forward.